Okay, girls, boys. Then today we make a short review, okay, about the simple past. Remember, if it is about the verb to be, was is for singular, were is for plural, okay. I, he, she, it, was. We, you, and they were. Wasn't for positive, wasn't for negative. It weren't and weren't for negative. Wasn't and weren't. But what happened to the rest of the actions? Remember that we divided in regular and irregular, okay? And if we're going to use, and we can use it with singular and plural names, okay? And if you need to make a negative statement, first is the pronoun name or subject, then didn't, then the action in base form, and then the complement. And if you need a question, first is the auxiliary, was or were or did. Did if you're going to work with the rest of the actions. Did plus the pronoun or name plus the action in base form and the complement. Okay? And if you need a WH question, first is was or who or when, etc. Then the auxiliary did, then the pronoun or name, and then the action in base form and the complement. Okay? Here we are on lesson 4 on unit 1, okay? And we are going to make some exercises, okay? So I are, nope. I was, I were, or I am. I am is positive present, but remember that it's yesterday. That's why you need to read the statement so you can know if it is positive, negative, singular, past, etc. So yesterday is past, okay? So I was sick yesterday. I didn't go to school, okay? Let's see another one. It's a question. How was the movie? Wow, it was great because we're talking about the verb to be, okay? So we need to answer with the verb to be, okay? It was great. Let's see another one. For example, did you go to the party last night? Yes, I did. Stan, what? Weren't, wasn't, was, or where? Stan was there too, okay? También fue, okay? Let's see if we can have another example. This is also with the verb to be. For example, here, did you go to the Fire Flash concert last night? Yes, I did. They what? They were great because we're talking about the concert of this person of this group, okay? Estuvieron genial, okay? So you need to identify who are you talking about in the sentence or in the question, okay? Let's see another one. For example, why didn't you eat your vegetables? I didn't like them. They what? ¿Por qué no te gustaron? They be? Nope, never. They aren't. We're talking about a question in negative, okay? They weren't fresh. No estaban frescos, por eso no me gustó, okay? Let's see another one. For example, let's see. Who carried the computers for you? I did. They what? They weren't very heavy, okay? Computers is plural, okay? Now let's see the test, okay? For example, it says, we in Italy last week. It's past, okay? And it's positive. We what? We were in Italy. We is plural and were is for plural, okay? Do you have any homework? No, my teacher what? Was, okay? Because it's singular, okay, and it's past, okay. Why Jana unhappy last night, past, and Jana is singular. Why was Jana unhappy last night, okay. Did you go to Julius' house yesterday? Yes, but he what? Wasn't at home, okay. Did you tell your parents the story? Yes, but they what? They weren't surprised, okay. Let's see, what did we get? Oh, excellent, 100. So please review the information, read the statement, check if it is a statement or sentence or a question, okay. Check if it is singular, if it is negative, if it is plural, etc. okay. Then we're going to do the next lesson 5, okay, questions, okay. So again, we have more information about the simple past. So it's a question, okay, it's a question. First of all, because we have a question mark. So how do we begin a question? A question, we begin it with the auxiliary, okay, and also a capital letter, okay, capital letter, letra mayor, mayúscula. So were you were, you, or was, okay, at the meeting this morning. Was at the meeting? No, because we need the pronoun, and the pronoun is missing. You, no, because it's a question, not a statement. You were? No, because it's a question. We begin with the auxiliary and then the pronoun. Were you at the meeting this morning? Yes, I was. I didn't see you. Okay. Let's see another example. I went to Alaska on a business trip last month. Last month. Were they called? Or was it called? Alaska. Alaska is just one thing. It's singular. So the correct is was it called? Estuvo frío. Okay. So please pay attention and see if it is singular, if it is plural. Okay. Let's see. It's a question. Okay. How do we begin the question? With the auxiliary. Okay. Was the airport crowded? Yes, it was. There were thousands of people there. Que si estuvo muy lleno el aeropuerto. Okay. And it's a question. That's why we need to begin with the auxiliary was. Let's see another one. Let's see another. For example, here, my aunt is traveling around the world. It's a question. Okay. We can't use neither this one nor this one or this one, okay. Why not? Because it's past, okay, it's past last month, and we need to use an auxiliary, okay. We need to use an auxiliary, okay. And it doesn't matter if it is positive or negative, okay, but we need to use an auxiliary in past, so that's why we need wasn't she sick last month, okay. So please pay attention to all the statements, if it is a question, if it is singular or negative, okay, so you can review and do the exercise in the correct form, okay.